Muscle Planet Gym in Belgrade, Serbia, where fitness icon Jelena Jaksič prepares for competition. Today I joined her for a free weight compound exercise workout.
Moj drug Jonathan je došao danas u Srbiju, u Beograd, da trenira sa mnom. Upoznali smo se na Kipru pre par meseci i dogovorili smo se kada dođe u Beograd da dođe da trenira sa mnom i zbog zdravlja, i zbog fizičke kondicije, i zbog njegovog posla.
The job of an adventure travel host is pretty rugged. I take a lot of falls. Sometimes I have to wrestle people. I find myself in unusual situations. So it's important to maintain a strong body. Jelena, luckily, who I met, is an expert in fitness. She's given me some great exercises to keep my core and my body strong so I can continue to do this job way into the future.